Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video number 24, we learned image versus img tag. What is the difference between these two? We have discussed in last video, you can learn from there. In this video, we are going to discuss how to use Google font awesome icon in Next.js, and how Next.js font library is more optimized. So first of all, what is Google font and how to use it? If you go to the website here and we search for Google font, we say Google font. So Google have big library, huge library in which we have so many fonts. You see, so many fonts. First font is Robo, second is Poppins. So we take Poppins font. Click on this and you see this font we have, and we have all the styles and setting of this font. You can download from here these font if you want. This is all about the setting. If you want to test your font, you can test here anything about this font. So there are so many fonts are available on Google library. Remember that. So we are going to test this Poppins type of font in Next.js. For that, in Next.js we have an inbuilt library of font. How to use it? Just I click here on web route group and I create one more route here and I give the name, I say fonts for example, and under this I create a component, I say page.js. Here I say RAFCE. We have this one and here we try to use this font. So I say first of all H3, I say it is Google fonts. Then here I take a paragraph. In this paragraph I say lorem and I multiply this by 2 so that I can have 2 lines of dummy text from this lorem. And remember that we have a paragraph here. On this paragraph I want to implement Google font Poppins, but for that I need to create the link in navbar also. So I go to navbar and here I copy and paste it once again, and here I give the link fonts, and here I pass the link that is the fonts like this, and it is ready, link is ready. And if you go here in our example and I click on font, then we will have the same text, but this is by default font. Remember, it is not a Google font. I am going to set Poppins font. So for that I close navbar first, and here I need to decide that font. So for using a font, what I need to import, I say here Poppins from Google font. Remember, like this. So Next.js have font, under the font we have a Google font. Maybe other fonts are available here. We are not concentrating on those library. I'm concentrating on Google because it's a big one. So we are taking from their Poppins, and I can take Robo also. Roboto is also a famous font. That these two fonts I'm taking from this library for example, and that Roboto I'm going to fit on here. I will pass Roboto and here I will pass the Poppins. So how to use these font? For that I need to create here constant, and I say Roboto equal to Roboto. Remember, I'm using this because I can export and I can use this also on other. So here we have to pass the setting. Remember, Roboto, then function, then under this we have to pass a object. So in this object we have to pass some options. Options are weight. So weight are available, how much the boldness you want, and style we have, and then subsets we have, then display we have. So one by one we provide the property. So I say the weight of this which I need, that is I say 300. I give 300 weight Roboto. Then I need here a style, remember, and in a style I pass italic or normal. We can give normal or we can give italic, whatever you want. Two styles are available. Then we have a subset. Remember, under this subset we have an array, and here we have to pass these what you want. I want Latin or anything which you want. You have a knowledge, you can provide the setting. So we are providing setting for Roboto like this here. Same we have to pass for Poppins. Same we have to pass for Poppins also. So I say Poppins, and here I change the name to Poppins function, Poppins, and here I am providing the same information, 300 this, Then style, we need to check style. We have a italic also, normal also. So I provide italic here, italic, remember, save this. So we have italic here, then we have to go for this. So here what I need to provide Devanagari. So I provide this because each and every font have a different types of subsets. And what are the properties? You just go there and you can check the properties here. So weight we have, style we have, and subsets we have provided all informations. Now these classes are ready to use. So in Google I need a class name, and here I provide roboto dot class name. Remember, we have to use like this. For paragraph also I have to say class name, and under this I need to pass poppins dot class name like this. This is the way to use this, and it is more optimized because it is inbuilt, you see. And we go there, output, and you see the font is changed, you see, remember that. So it is the Poppins one, you see, Poppins font, same font we have, and we have this look and feel 300, 200, 300, 200, you see, italic setting, extra light, this such kind of, we have 400. So I change to 400 this, and regular and 400. So we try to give, so in italic, then we have 400 weight, and we need to pass regular also. So what is the property? We have regular here, then subset we have, Latin we have, okay, these three things we have only. And now you see the output, you see. So we have this, and roboto also, we can also increase the weight. So I say 400, you see, some dark is there. So like this way we can use the font which we deserve, which we required, you see, by the Google. Just you have to check the Google font which is available here. So many fonts are available, you see, so many fonts are available here, list of fonts are available. Whatever you want to use, just you have to use this. Like Inter font you want to use, so I give Inter here. Suppose in place of robo or in place of Poppins I also want to use Inter, so I say Inter font I want, and I say same setting for Inter also like this, and here I say Inter, and here I say Inter like this, and we say more option here if available, same options we have here. So I check here also, and here we say same type of things are there. So we provide here Latin ext, and now I use Inter here in place of Poppins. I say Inter, save this, and you will see different font now. No, stylic Inter do not have a italic setting, remember that. If it not having a setting, it will generate error. So we have to check here. We have only normal, we do not have a your italic font there, so it's generating error. Now you see we have the Inter font. So you can use any font which you want. I am just giving the way how to use it. So this is the way to use Google font in Next.js. So how to use Google font I have explained. Now how Next.js font library is more optimized, you see that I am using here Google, and this library is more optimized because it directly link with the Google website fonts, directly link with this. And if the Google font number of fonts, new fonts come and some setting change in these fonts, then automatically Next.js also change this setting and it optimize this setting, because you can't use all the setting, all the properties yourself. You need the way to use it. You see we have a same type of way, same type of, you can say, settings which we can apply on each and every type of fonts. You see it's very simple, just import and use. So it's a more optimized way to use the font. But if you do for HTML or for React there, then you have to take the library in HTML pages on top of the header, and then you have to use that. That is not so okay. And one thing more is there, because these type of font library executes on server side rendering part, and because of that it's very fast and it do not take space on the client side. And you can load your website more faster while using these type of setting, because it's make your website run fast, load fast, because of these inbuilt components from the Next.js. So it is more optimized and more useful also. Now the next question, the last one, is how to use Font Awesome. Font Awesome is a very big and huge library for icons, and very good icons we have there. You can search there that I go to Google, and here I say font awesome, you see, and go to first site, and it's a very big library, famous website. Go to icons, and you will have lot more icons available. You see, so many 26,000 of icons are available, new icons, old icon, any kind of icon which you want to use, you can use here. So very big, very good, excellent type of library is there. YouTube icon, you see, YouTube icon you want. So how to use it, they are showing you like FA YouTube, like this they are using this. So many types of icons are available here, but all type of new icon or everything you can't use because all are not free to use. So how you can use free icons, that I'm going to explain you here. For that you have to install some library. For that I have this website to tell you how to install. So first of all, you have to install these free icons or free library. Those are available for testing purpose. If you are a professional and you want to use professional library, so you have a more option to use pro library also. So create account on Font Awesome website and take the key from there and use that as a professional also, but I'm using it for free testing purpose. So first of all, we have to install the library. So I close this running application. Under this application, I just copy paste and install this library. It will take little bit of time. Then after that installation, you have to copy this and copy this in a layout file. Remember, because we have to use in each and every page of your website, that's why we go to the layout page. So I open layout, this one, and under the layout I have like this Font Awesome. We're using this. Now close this, everything is okay. And here after installation is going on right now. After installation we have to use it. For using this we have to import like this. So I copy this also, and I go to my page. Here I'm going to use these icon. So go down, and here I say H3 and I say Font Awesome icons, like this. And here I have to use icons. So first of all, I import these library on top of this, like we use Google fonts. So I copy paste here. These are the icon which I am going to use. By default icons are there. I can take my own free icons also, and we have to use this component to use these icons. So I go down, and here it is stalling, taking a lot of time, and then I go there and I copy this one, because this is the way to use this. We have Font Awesome icon component, under this we have icon and we have to show icon here. So go there, and here I paste this. So these two icon which I am importing above, these I am using here. These are free to use. So many other icons, thousands of icons are there, those are free, but we have to wait till this library install. Now this library installed, so we have to run application once again. So I say npm run dev. Remember, now we go to the project and we refresh it. You see, two icons are coming, this one, and we can give some gap also. So I can give style to this if it support, and I give a margin. For that I can give bootstrap. I can use bootstrap. I say M3. Try to check this. No, it is not supported. So because it's not a style, it is a class name. So here I need to pass class name, and you see we have a space. So same I apply to this also, because I want to show it in a better way. This way, you see we have this icon. Few more icon we want to check if it is there. So for example, we have this YouTube icon, name is FA YouTube. So I try to use this if it is available. So I say here FA YouTube. FA YouTube is not available, I think. Yeah, this is not available. So FA, then we can have cake, I think, calculator we have, calendar we have. So I take this one, FA calculator, and I just make one more copy of this, and I say FA calculator, save this and see the output. You see calculator is coming. So like this you can use so many icons, and remember that all icons are not free. All icons are not free, but you can see the name, those are available. If I am searching here a YouTube icon, it's not coming. And I see one more thing, that I go to again icon, and I say health type of this, and I try to see the icon here. These are professional icon. They are saying this professional, remember, not available. So I icon, suppose this icon I want, so that is FAI. Try to use if it is available. So in place of that I say FAI. Yeah, this is available, so I can use FAI. You see, I'm showing you the way how to use these icons. Now once again you can make copy of this, and you say I want to use FAI. Save this, and you will see the output. You see I is also available, same icon, you see same type of icon is there. We have some property also. You can set your property anything whatever you want. Suppose you want to use in React, so like this we have setting. They are not showing in your setting in Next.js, because we are using Next.js here, like installing a library, and then we are using like this. This is the way to use in Next.js. So only free icons you can use in your application, but if you want to use professional icons, then you have to register and pay for this, because it's a big library. Lots of person are working in this company, they need salary also, that's why they need money. So this is the way to use Google Font and Font Awesome library. So all three interview questions I have covered: how to use Google Font, how to use Font Awesome, and how font library is more optimized. I'm not saying that Google font library, I'm saying that Next.js font library is more optimized, because it's a have the faster and optimized way to load the font. So that's all in this video. If you have learned something from this video and you are happy, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.